How to change profile picture on Royal Match. In this video, I am going to show you how you can change the avatar or profile picture in this game. First of all, open your application. Now here on the left top, you can see a profile icon. Simply tap on your profile icon. Now here in your profile settings, so you can see the frame of your profile. Now tap on this frame. So these are the avatars or profile pictures that are available. Now you can select anyone that you like. So simply just tap on anyone. Now tap on save. So as you can see, your profile has been saved. Now if you go back, you can look at the top, it has been saved and it has been changed. Now if you have other friends, they will be able to see the same profile that you have changed. So this is how you change your profile. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video helps you.